Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorials how to color a rectangle. Okay, first I will draw rectangle. You can type a rectangle, press enter, and for first point I will click in here. For dimension you can set 100 and press tab button 100 again, like this. The next, if you want to color this rectangle, we can use hatch command. You can tap hatch, press enter, and then in these patterns you can set into solid, go to other predefined, and then click solid, click OK. We change the color, you can click in here, like I will set color into green, use add pick point, and I will click inside the rectangle, press enter, and then you can click preview. So this is for preview, and that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial how to color a rectangle. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.